if you really want to see the out installation, so I have to go to either a virtual machine or maybe how to go to I have to uninstall Python in my PC and install it later. So I will tell how to download installation in a Python, how to use ideally and how to use Python. So tomorrow, okay, I will tell either in a morning session or afternoon session how to use this Visual Studio. Already video is there, installation video is there, so no need to do again. So you can go through that one. If you want, you can go with the PyCharm also. Okay, so Visual Studio Code is easy. Okay, so first of all, how to download and install run Python. Okay, so that is what we will see. Already I told learning environment wise also I told. So how to download Python and install the Python. So to go to this link or directly you can type in a Google. Okay, so like you want to practice, do from your local machine, then compulsory Python is required. You cannot do, then you can use Jupyter. Okay, so both are okay, but better to be in your PC. That's different options you will get it for a starters. Okay, Fibonacci series program, direct Fibonacci series program is given here. Okay. Copy paste somewhere. Not worry. Later I will see that. Okay. Yeah, again something changed. Enumerate. What is enumerate? Fruits, banana, apple, lime. Load fruits, upper kind of stuff for fruits in this one. Load fruits. Okay. List enumerate. Okay. This compound data. This is interpretation. This is how quick to learn. Okay, learning paths. In a previous video also I told learning paths, right? So of course you can go to docs also here. This is a document. You can go to documents. So then you can find a lot of things from there also. Okay. Okay. So this is downloads 3.10.4 version it is showing, and also there is an updated version of 3.9 version is also there. So go to Windows, so python.org, go to Windows. Okay, go to Windows, don't click here, don't go to Windows. We are our PC, our local PC is a 64-bit PC. Download Windows installer 64-bit PC. Ours is 64-bit PC. So then download Windows 64-bit PC. Ours is Windows. If in case your PC is 32-bit, install 32-bit. If it is 64, 64. Okay, this is 3.9.13 new release. It is. It's a stable version, pre-release. This is pre-release. This is stable version. Python 3.11 kind of stuff. Okay, this is a pre-release. It's not a stable version. This is a stable version, guys. Okay, look at this is we can't install in Windows 7 anyway. This is 10.3.10.4. This is 3.9.13. Okay, because this is the updated version there. Like they will keep update. So in that one. Okay. So when it is become a stable like this. So you can see 13 release. Sorry, Python 3, Python 2. The Python 2 latest one is 2.7.18. This is 3.10.4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to this path. Okay, so copy address link. Okay, copy address link. So I'm giving this address directly. Look at here. This is the download link. of Python. 64-bit. This is 64-bit download link I am giving. Guys, once you are downloaded, you have to double click, right? So once you are downloaded, you have to double click, right? So of course, I have a video with how to installation kind of stuff. Point is, very simple, guys. So no need to worry about what it is and all. So once you are downloaded, just simple double click, run, check everything, full version, check everything, put a pass, everything. You can do it. So that is a very simple way to do it. Otherwise, I will show you video. I will try this one. Most possible, I don't show anything. Okay, other links are also specified here in a batch 13 video. So Jupyter. So I'm going to. I installed a previous version. Okay, so from here I will show you how to install. Okay, so how to download an installation? You can get it from here. Okay, it is. I have to better add a description for that one, so then you can easily get it from there. Okay, so installation video, that is for download, install Python. Whatever the version it is, same only. So means one steps are same. Okay, so go with the 38th minute. Okay, so go up to maximum 37, 38 minute installation is there. So go for that one. Okay, so I will going. So once you are running, you can see it is install now, customize installation. Go with the customize installation. Guys, are you able to see my screen? Am I connected or disconnected?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Can anybody tell confirm? Are you able to see the screen with little voice,
Yes.
loud voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Customize installation and these two check marks. I done a 2 check marks here. Customize installation and all check marks. I put a all check marks. PIP, TK. TK means TK enter. I told no. So PK enter it and all this thing for all users. For all users only, it will install into program files. Otherwise, it will install in some other places. So I will show you that one also. See it is. When I select install for all users, this path will be changes. Normally, see users, username, app data, local like this. It is showing. That will be changed. It is when I select it, program files. Python 3.10 means 3.10.1, 3.10.2, 3.10.3, 3.10.4. That is the meaning. 3.10. Python 3.10. Python 3.9 means 3.9. Python 3.8 means 3.8. Okay. So like this. So whether you select last two options or not, it's okay. If you don't select it also, no problem. But select the first all options. Last two are optional. Whether it is installing. Now it is got installed. It is not installed. It is installing. Okay. So 64-bit. No need to restart anything. So guys, today what you will do? Compulsory install Python. What is this? That is PyChart. Also in this video, in this link I shared now. So in that video, so you can also see how the Jupyter how we use. Extension issues. Is installing, still installing. Okay, so for example, you are unable to install and don't want to Jupyter kind of stuff. So Chrome extensions also available, but I'm not prefer to go with that one. So this is a beautiful one. So most try to install in a local or try to install if in case you don't have a laptop or maybe that is your laptop, you have a fear of installation. But maybe there is a problem in your laptop, you can't able to install it. What to do? Use PyCharm. Sorry, not PyCharm, it is Jupyter. Okay. Without installing Python locally, okay, whether you have a VS Code or a PyCharm or any other tools like a Atom or Notepad++, nothing will work. You must install in a locally for that purpose. For Jupyter, not required to install locally. So finally, once you install, type in a search IDLE, you'll get a IDLE here. Open IDLE and you can start doing programming. Guys, understand how to install?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is from 38 minute to almost 47 minute, means 48 minute. Okay. Only 10 minutes total installation time because I don't edit now. It does not mean you don't need to do anything kind of stuff. Okay. So just what I will do it, how to edit this video, this particular video. It is December 1, so Control C. So only this video, see it is not required to edit, just we have to add few things. Okay, first of all 0, 0, 0. Just only later I will try. Save. No, no, no. At least it is time frame wise it is useful. So now if you open this link, okay, so you don't have to worry, simple. You can see install Python. Okay, this is starting. So this is something it is showing, something I have written. You don't have to worry. So you can simply jump to this part. This is again other things. Other things I didn't edit it. Okay. So simply install Python. Okay. So use that one. So link. if you have any doubt. Okay, and not a much difference, guys. It is 3.10.4. You can download it directly. Once you are download, double click open. So go to this video and follow the steps. What is the following step? Select everything. Select everything, no problem. Okay. So only thing is go to custom, select everything. Install now also no problem. But environmental variables, whatever it is, other things, important one is environmental variables. PIP is very important. Okay. Two are very important. One is in environmental variables. Add to path is very important. Another one is PIP is very important. So this is about a installation of Python. Next, use ideally CMD and other kind of stuff. Okay, we'll see first of all after installation of PyChart. I use first ideally to do programming. So how to use? Go to search, type ideally. So it is open. My version is 3.10.1 or 3.10.2. I didn't remember. It's 3.10.1 only. So that installation only. This is the one, not a fourth one. Okay. So you can change the size also. So just right click here. No. Preference. Try to search for the preference. Configure ideally. Go to options. Configure ideally. Change the size. So I set a 18, right? So I can put a 20 also. So it is little bigger. Bold or a simple lines. Highlights. Colors. You can also change the colors. Some keys. Shortcut keys also there. But I didn't much put more things in the shortcut keys. Shell extensions also there. Okay. So I change it to 20. Career now. You can use like this. Okay, bold I remove, apply. Okay, so it is like this. You can increase the adjust the window also. So for sharp looking, there's few columns here. We'll see that columns also. Look at here. Every line is a line only, guys. It's like a command lines, but every line is line. You cannot repeat the previous lines. Okay, once you done a command, either it is right or wrong, whether it is generate output or not, we have to go to the next line only. You cannot go up, we cannot clear, we can't put a command called a clear screen kind of stuff is not there. Either you have to close the terminal or you have to continue in the terminal. So when you open, first try to put something like after so long time I changed my font kind of stuff. See this looking good, right? Like this. How to assign a variable a is equal to 10, print a. Here not only that one, you press a also, you will get it. No need to mention it is an integer also. It is an integer, it is float, like that, not required. It will understand what it is. Okay, it is a case sensitive. It is a case sensitive. So it is, you will get an error also. Okay. If you want to exit, you have to put a exit like this. There is other few features of ideally is also there. We'll come back to that one. Okay. Close ideally. This is first one. Next one is normal CMD. Normal CMD, how to use it? Go to run CMD. Okay. So type Python. Just type Python. See, you got a Python version. Okay. No bother. You can type whatever the things like print. My name is Latif. Okay, so like that you can use different kind of commands also. Okay, so here also, but here you will get a up down kind of stuff. Okay, so you can do that one, but exit is like this. You want to know Python version? This is the Python version command, whether Python is installed or not. One important command is that called PIP. PIP is a Python package management. Like we have a yum, so like that PIP is a package manager. Okay, Python hyphen version is to check Python version. What is a PIP? Is a package manager for Python. For example, I want to do numpy. Okay, I want to install a library called numpy. Numpy is a numerical, like a you can define arrays, matrix kind of stuff. You can do with the numpy. Okay, so just something. PIP -m num PIP install numpy. -m will come with like this. Python -m like this. It is come. Okay, you can directly put a command PIP install numpy. So we have to wait like whether it is directly installed or it will ask yes or no, and or sometimes you throw an error. Sometimes your PIP version is older version than your Python version. So that in that cases it will ask for upgrade your PyChar. Look at here. It is asking upgrade PIP. First you have to upgrade your package manager, then install. Okay. Default to user installation because of normal site is not writable. Requests are ready to satisfied. numpy is already installed. It is already installed, and it is asking upgrade your numpy. So it is older version is 20.0.3. The newer version available is 22.1. So you have to upgrade. So how to upgrade? You have to put this command. Okay, you have to put this command. Of course, I use like it's very simple PIP install numpy. Okay, so this is also not required. This much build-up not required because already mine is completely done. Python is just like calling Python is very better way. Okay, upgrade PIP only. Upgrade PIP. So what is PIP? Package manager. What is it? It's like a yum, or it is kind of yum only, or RPM. Package manager. Do you remember, guys? What is yum? Yellow dog. Update modifier. RPM. Do you remember? Yum. What is use of yum? So it is downloading and updating through internet directly. Sometimes last time I'm trying to show you some people like a Flask kind of stuff. Flask. Okay, so I try to install. No, I am practicing Flask that time. So I got always a problem with the Flask. Why I'm getting a problem is it is also a problem of this PIP version. So finally I upgraded my PIP also. Okay. Okay, you can install like a numpy, pandas, like that. So it is already installed. That's why it is not installing. I don't want to install any other things also. Max is there, OS is there. Like if you want to install any libraries, I want to install a library. Okay, numpy. So how to install like this? So better command is always -m like this or only like this is also okay. Okay, guys, understand what is the use of PIP?
Yes, sir.
Of course, I told about a PIP in a CMD, but how to use Python? Just try type Python. That's it. So then you will get a this kind of stuff. Okay, just type Python. You will get a. So in IDE also, when you open IDE, you will get a commands. So just type print hello world. So if you know the hello world, you know everything. Okay. You also try like that. This is direct CMDs. On CMD only, you have to type like this. PIP is a package manager, so I covered one point here. Okay. Next, with the files, guys. So think like this. You don't have any IDEs like a PyCharm or a Visual Studio Code. You have IDE and your CMD. So you can also do with the PowerShell also. If you open a PowerShell, you can go to Python from the PowerShell also possible. Okay, next, there is another thing, Python. Direct Python is also there. See, look at here. This is the Python. Just search in a bar Python. It opens directly this kind of window. Go to properties. So direct CMD type of properties it is. Okay, see it is. Here also you can type. It is. You can type. You will get a output. So this is another way to go to Python script writing. So close it. Yeah, last two things. So I am going to here. So all my things in E drive, all my projects in E drive, right? Projects. So yeah, here it is a demo py kind of stuff is there, na? Like that. So projects, Python projects. Okay. So here it is also somewhere I've written Python project, test Python folder. So these are all there. What I'm trying to do is in this one only I'm creating a file. It's just a simple text file. Are you able to see that one, guys? Simple text file with .txt. Okay. Okay. I am writing some programs inside. Okay. Edit. So I put a print. Why it is? Hi all. At 17. Okay. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 20. Print A plus B equal to comma a plus b. Okay, so something I saved it. So I write a program in the notepad, but notepad extension is .txt. So we don't understand that one. So go to renaming this one. Remove this completely with the .txt. Okay. Then I put a demo 17.py. Yes. Now see it is demo 17.py. You can run it with IDLE or open with Python, PyChar, Notepad, VS Code like that. But what I'm trying to do is, I will directly open with Powershell, or you can use the CMD also. But path is big one, so easy to open with the Powershell because option is there. Go to File, Open Powershell. Okay, open Powershell. So this folder automatically it will open with that one. So that's why I used it. See, it is that folder. It is there. So you need to worry about like changing the folder kind of stuff. No need to worry about it. Okay. So look at here. I have a Python and demo 17.py. See, it is showing hello batch 17 a plus b 30. Similarly, you can run so many things from here. Demo, you must know anything. Demo 2 is there, demo 13 is there. Now batch 13 it is. No problem. Py convert. I want to show you like a last few batches. Showing something. So py cal. Okay, so I will try py cal. Okay, from few batches I'm showing this is like I done a very great thing kind of stuff. Don't worry. So it is I created a calculator like this. So only two inputs. Either you choose add, subtract, or multiply. So like simple calculator 30. B is for example 42. You want to add it, add a plus b 72. You want to subtract minus 12. You want to multiply a into b 1260. You want to clear it, you clear the input. Is it good, huh? Guys? This is I created, I didn't copy paste it. No appreciation also. See? Like this. It is how it is possible. I will tell you. Because of TK enter. Okay. Go to edit. See, it is. This is the TK enter import message box. So this is root like this. First of all, you have to create a big box, first outer layer box, and you have to keep adding everything. Now, what is the most big one I use? I put all the buttons, entries, buttons are added. Then I define functions. That's it, not more than that one. Within this lines of program, I made a very simple application. Okay, the size of the program size is also very less. So that's what I'm trying to show you. It is very easy to learn. You can easy to explore. Okay, I think you got the point.
Yes, sir.
So you tell me.
Yes, sir.
So this is E drive, CD. So projects, under projects, Python folder, under folder again Python demo 17.py. It is the data. Okay, like this also you can do it. So you can write a program in the notepad, save with the extension .py, not with the .txt. Okay, so you can run in CMD or a PowerShell also. Okay, and the last point, ideally here also you can try for file, open. So browse where is your program is located. Okay, mine is in E drive in the projects folder. Okay, so yesterday I tested this one. So one guy is asked me a question, previous batch. I forget and night I open. Luckily, I found a solution. Okay, I tried something. It is worked. So it is the file. You can see this is the file. Contains a program. Go to run. Run. See, this is output. You can able to see it. So the screen is look like a clumsiness. So no problem. Okay, this is the. I want to further develop. A minus B. Okay, save the file, run it as it is. Like you can write a program in a file and you can execute it. You can see it from here. This is also like that. You can do it. Either you do program here or you write something script here, execute and see the output from the this window. So this is execution cell. This is the just a file. Okay, and also go to help. Go to IDE help. IDLE help. What is IDE help? So you will understand a lot of things, like how to write a program, why it is not showing. Python docs 11, yeah, this is working. Help Python docs. Okay, so this is the documentation. Python tutorial. Go to Python tutorial session. Which one you have a more doubts? You can go directly and check that one. Input, outputs, modules, data structures. Okay, you have more doubts in sets. So what is sets? With examples, you'll get it. Okay, so this is like that. You don't require any notes. You don't require any textbooks, videos, PDFs. Okay, if you really want to learn, you can learn. Just install a Python in your system. You can do whatever you want to do it. Okay, just you need a little guidelines to learn it. Okay, that's it. From how to learn, how to download, how to install the environment of the Python. Is there any doubts, guys? Hmm?
No, sir.
Only noise, no voice.
No, sir.